I won't apologise for any offence that anyone may take from what I'm about to say, because to be honest, the only people that I care about right now are the people trapped in Gaza waiting to die as the world does nothing, and the people in Palestine, in the West Bank and in Jerusalem who are too scared to leave their homes because settlers run freely, torturing, abusing, killing, because nobody's doing anything about it. And meanwhile, Saudi Arabia has just given airspace to the Americans to protect Israel. Why is anybody traveling to Saudi Arabia to take part in Hajj or Ummah? You realize that by going to Saudi Arabia, you are bolstering their economy. And you understand that Saudi Arabia and Israel have economic ties. So without a shadow of a doubt, by you going to Hajj or Ummah right now, you are supporting this genocide, you are supporting apartheid, and you are allowing this genocide to continue. If every single Muslim took a stand and refused to take part in Hajj or Umrah until Saudi Arabia changed its policies, you would soon see a difference. Ask yourself, what would our Prophet do right now if he was alive? Because there is no way in this world that he would be encouraging us to travel to a country that claims to be Islamic while supporting an apartheid against 2.3 million people, with a large percentage of those Muslims. Guys, check yourself out. Honestly, every Muslim in the world, it's time to stop doing what makes you happy. It's no longer about what you want or what you need. It's about the Ummah. If every single Muslim stopped looking at themselves and doing what we are called to do, which is protect each other, look after each other, then we would see a change. If every Muslim had done that 75 years ago, Palestine would not be living under such a horrific apartheid. Wallahi, since Prophet Muhammad died, since we lost our beloved Prophet, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the Ummah has crumbled, and it's continuing to crumble because you are focusing on the wrong things. You are focusing on picking each other apart. You're not wearing a hijab. You're wearing the wrong clothes. You don't pray properly, and you are all missing the bigger picture. So seriously, guys, stop this and start focusing on what's right. Right now, Hajj, Umrah, you go there, you are contributing to this genocide. So boycott that now and send a clear message to Saudi Arabia that as Muslims, we do not stand with this, and we will never stand with this, because we stand with Allah.